morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. In previous video, we have started a problem solving question from the physical chemistry. Question stat. ये question था हमारा, इसको हमने solve किया था. Now solve the calculation of the A, B and C. Calculation A का अब हम solution करने वाले हैं. As per the our concept or core concept based on the distribution law, you are going to solving the problem number 1. And as per the problem number 1, the given data, that is the suppose volume of benzene required is equal to V liters, right? And as extraction is 90% amount left unextracted is equal to 10%. Okay. Now put this value in the formula, that is W, and it is the and capital W, remaining amount is 10 and total amount is 100. That is the 0.1. The extraction is 90% amount left unextracted, right? N is equal to 1 and V is equal to 1 liter and K is equal to 0.710 given in our question. N is equal to number of moles of volume is equal to 1 liter and K is equal to 0.10 distribution constant. Substituting this value in the general formula for extraction. Substitution this value in the general formula for the extraction. What is the general formula? General formula is the Wn is equal to capital W is equal to Kv upon V plus Kv and N, right? N. So now put the values. The ratio of this is equal to 0.1. Now value of K distribution ratio is 0.17 into volume is 1 liter and also V plus 0.17 into 1. ये वाला वॉल्यूम हमें कैलकुलेट करना है and value of N is equal to 1. Or we can write here V is equal to 1.5 liter, or we can say V is equal to 1530 liter. Sorry, liter में milliliter. क्या हो जाएगा अभी ये milliliter. You can calculate this. Now question number 2. Question number 2 start. What total volume of benzene will be required if the 90% extraction were to be completed in 3 steps of the equal volume of benzene? यहाँ पे हम कैलकुलेट क्या करना है? What total volume of benzene will be required if the 90% extraction 90% extraction हो जाता है, तब हमें बेंजीन का वॉल्यूम क्या होगा वो कैलकुलेट करना है. How to calculate it? So now write the formula for the calculation of required volume. Suppose the volume of benzene required is equal to 3 V liter, right? V liter in each step. लिखा है successive steps. तो V liter in each step. V liter in each step. Then V is equal to V liter, V is equal to V liter, and moles is equal to 3 moles. Now further as the extraction, अब जो हमारा extraction है, extraction is equal to 90% amount left unextracted कितना है, how much, 10%, right? So now put this value in the formula, Wn upon capital W, ratio है हमारे पास. Now 10 upon 100 again, then you will get the 0.1, that is the V liter, and putting this value in the formula, अब इस वैल्यू को हम क्या करेंगे, फार्मूला में पुट करेंगे. तो पुट कर दीजिए, तो क्या मिलेगा हमको, यू विल गेट द 0.1 इज इक्वल टू 0. फार्मूला लिखते हैं पहले. फार्मूला क्या है हमारा, Wn अपॉन W इज इक्वल टू Kv अपॉन V plus Kvn. Then we get 0.1 is equal to Kv का वैल्यू क्या है, गिवन है 0.17, वॉल्यूम है 1 लीटर, V प्लस 0.17 into 1 and यहाँ पे number of moles 3. So now calculate all these values, that is V plus 0.17 into 1. The power 3 is equal to 0.173 upon 0.1, or we can write here V plus 0.17, वैसा ही लिखा हमने, and 10 into 0.173, right? Now taking cube roots of both the sides, then we will get the V plus 0.17 is equal to 10 power 1 by 3, right, into 0.17. टेकिंग लॉगरिथम, अब हम लॉगरिथम लेंगे दोनों साइड, तो क्या हो जाएगा, log v प्लस 0.17 इज इक्वल टू 1 by 3 log 10 हो गया ये, एंड क्या हो जाएगा, इट विल बी log 0.17. तो नाउ राइट द 1 by 3, log 10 इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस क्या होगा यहाँ पे 1.2304. फिर हम लेंगे इसमें बार के रूप में, तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे 0.33 की वैल्यू आप टेबल से ले सकते हैं, प्लस 1.2304. नाउ यू विल गेट द 1.5637 मैथमेटिकली, right? Then you will get the value of extracted volume 0.7. एंटीलॉग ले लिया अभी हमने इसका, एंटीलॉग 1.5637, right? And we will get the 0.3662. V is equal to, अब इसको हम शिफ्ट करेंगे, 3662 minus 0.17, then you will get the 0.1962 liters. Okay, right? Total volume required. Now we can calculate the total volume required. Total volume required is equal to 3V है into 0.17 0.9116 liters, 0.9162 liters. That is the 0.5886 liters. It is the. Thank you.